Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the Elements tab and use the search bar to find graphics, icons, and lines. Start with a clear keyword, then add modifiers like color, blue, or style. Flat to narrow results quickly. Filter results by photos, graphics, videos, or stickers, and choose a size or color to speed selection. Click an element to insert it onto the canvas and use drag handles to resize it. Use Arrange to bring elements forward or backward, and press Shift while dragging to maintain aspect ratio for precise layout control. Use Publish then Embed to copy the HTML iframe code for embedding your design on a website. Choose the interactive settings you want, enable or disable toolbar options, and click Copy to copy the iframe or script snippet. Set width and height to 800x450 for a 16:9 ratio in the iframe attributes if you need a fixed size. Make the embed responsive by changing width to 100% and keeping height at 450. Or use CSS to set max width. Download vector elements as SVG to edit paths and attributes in code editors and to extract element markup for reuse. Select grouped items, right-click and choose Download as SVG. Open the file in a text editor to inspect ID, paths, fill, and stroke values for copyable code. Group and lock elements before exporting to preserve layout when sharing as PNG or PDF. Add alt text and titles for accessibility, and include area hidden for decorative items when embedding code into web pages to improve screen reader behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.